Welcome to the video on how to access your project data in Power BI. In this example, we will connect to neighborhood data in our project using the online GeoJSON endpoint. To access this endpoint, hover over Administrative in the ribbon bar. And under Neighborhoods, select Export GeoData. Once the panel has opened, select GeoJSON for the Format choice box. Next, click on the Copy URL button next to Online GeoJSON Endpoint. Now open the Power BI desktop application. Once open, create a new Power BI project or open an existing one. To add a connection to a Tygron project, click on Get Data in the ribbon bar and select Web. In the Open panel, paste the URL we have previously copied and select OK. In the Access Web Content step, select the Anonymous step and click Connect. This opens a new panel with the created table of our project's neighborhood data. Once loaded, inspect the table and click on the Close and Apply button in the ribbon bar. We now have a data connection that we can visualize. Open the Visualization tab and select the Stacked Column chart. A preview should have appeared on the left page. Next, unfold the connection under Data and scroll to the Name property. Drag this property to the x-axis. Next, select a value for your chart. Drag this property to the y-axis. A chart should now be visualized. Note that you can add more than one property to the y-axis. In case your project data updates, you will have to refresh the data of the connection in your Power BI project. Right-click on the connection and select Refresh Data. You now know how to connect data of your project to a Power BI project.